Education and online courses aren't dead. AI is actually elevating them to new heights. And today I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why and the 3 things you need to make sure that you're incorporating into your online courses and learning experiences to make sure that you are serving your learners powerfully. No matter if you're serving your customers, maybe you're selling your online courses and learning experiences, or you're serving your team members. Maybe you're training your internal teams with your e-learning programs and learning experiences. Now, I run 2 companies, eLearning Partners and Athlete with Asthma. And with both of my businesses, it is extremely important to have a personalized touch. With eLearning Partners, people want to work with me and partner with me because I not only have the knowledge, I have the experience. And that is one huge thing when it comes to AI and e-learning is AI will never have the experience that you have. It may have the knowledge, it may have even more intelligence than you have, but it does not have the experience, which is why it is so important to have a human-to-human connection in your programs, in your online courses. For my other brand, Athlete with Asthma, I am an elite ultra runner with asthma who, at 4 years old, I was told that I would never play soccer and that I would definitely never be a runner. Well, over the years, with some guidance from some alternative medical doctors, I was able to come up with ways to strengthen my lungs and not always rely on my inhaler, building my strength to the point where I was able to play not only a full soccer game, but 3 to 5 soccer games in an entire weekend, sometimes 6 or 7 when we had tournaments. And I not only run marathons now, I run 100K ultras and beyond. That's more than 60 miles in one running outing. And I am able to do this without using my inhaler. This experience is something that is so valuable for me to share with my audience, to share with my learners, because even if AI knows and has the intelligence of, okay, this person has asthma, this is what the internet says, this is what I've learned, I'm gonna give them some knowledge around it. Hey, I'm not hating on AI, I use AI all the time. I'm just saying that AI may have the knowledge, may have the intelligence, but it doesn't have the experience. Last time I checked, AI doesn't have asthma, and AI isn't running marathons. And if there are robots out there running marathons, how cool is it? It's not. You're not a human. Why does anyone even care? Now, if you're empowering someone to run a marathon, that is another story. That really brings me to the first point of why education and online courses aren't dead. People crave real stories from real people. That's the same thing as saying that people crave learning from your experience. Just remember, when you are teaching people and sharing with people your experience, you need to go deeper than just listing, oh, I learned this, and this. You need to share your story, how you learned it. Create a image, create a story that your learners can live in. Because when your learners can see themselves in you, then they're able to connect with what you are providing for them. AI doesn't have experiences that it can share stories about. So that's the first reason why education and online courses aren't dead. Number 2, AI is actually accelerating course creation and learning experience creation in every niche. So online courses is still the main vernacular out there. And online courses are more than just a static online course nowadays. Online courses are really learning experiences. And I talk about this and coach my students on this in my coaching community that you can find linked in the description below this video, where we shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset together when it comes to AI and other technologies. And we build comprehensive learning experiences that include online courses, but also have other elements to them, which I'm going to share with you in the second part of this video and podcast episode. So I highly recommend you check that out in the description below. AI is empowering you and accelerating what you can create and share with the world. AI is making education and online courses infinite. It is making it so that you don't have to agonize over months or years or even weeks of course creation. You can get your experience out into the world like that. AI empowers you to create learning experiences faster. And it gives you the ability to research your ideas and make even more powerful programs than before, because instead of having to go to the library, opening up your encyclopedia, going to Google, you can partner with AI, which is another huge result of my coaching community, to create powerful learning experiences. AI has empowered me to not only cut my learning experience creation in half, it has cut it in half again and in half again. I can get a program out in less than a week, a powerful program out in less than a week because of AI. Number 3, learning is transformation, which is a basic human need. We all need transformation and growth in our lives. No matter if we have fixed or growth mindsets. I know that if you're watching this video or listening to this podcast, that you have a growth mindset, which means that you have the need, the innate human need to transform, to become something else in your life, to learn, develop, to achieve more. This is what we want as humans. We are always changing and developing, and education and learning empowers us to do that. Well, certain things have become less important because we can just ask AI to help us do these things. AI really empowers you to take control of your learning and learn what you actually want to learn. Put your energy into what you actually want to do in life. Instead of having to learn things just to learn things to get by, you can learn what you actually want. For me, I am very, very passionate about health, wellness, and longevity. And what AI has really empowered me to do is take control of my own biomarkers, my own metrics, my own blood tests, my own heart tests, my own medical tests, and learn what they actually mean. I'll give you an example. I do a yearly blood test and I do a yearly test on my heart. I am an elite endurance athlete, and it's very important for me to keep track of how my heart is performing and to make sure that I'm giving my body the nutrients that it needs. So what I did this past year with my tests related to my blood work and my heart versus the tests I did last year is I fed all this information into ChatGPT. Now I used a paid version of ChatGPT for this. I asked it to do a comparison on the data and to cross-reference this data with elite ultra athlete data that is out there on the internet, and to also cross-reference this with people with asthma and give me an interpretation of my medical results. Now, I highly recommend that you talk to your healthcare provider and that you always run everything through your doctor, just like I did. Because I did the comparison and then I talked to my doctor about what I learned. And the great thing is, I was actually prepared to have a conversation with my doctor for my annual physical because I had the data and I didn't need him to tell me. I had an idea and I kind of cross-referenced this with what he told me. And I was able to ask better questions because I had this data. Now, I am becoming even more obsessed with taking in data points around my health, around my workouts. As many data points as I can collect, I'm taking in so that I can partner with AI to help me ask better questions and to help me optimize my life. Learning is transformation. The speed of which I was able to learn this would not have happened without AI. So yes, online courses and education are not dead. And there are 3 things you can do to make sure that you are transforming your online courses into learning experiences to serve your learners even more powerfully. And the first thing is to have a personalized human touch, a personal connection with your learners. What do I mean by this? Well, I invite you to directly interact with your learners. That means adding some sort of coaching element to your online course or learning experience. For example, I, for both of my businesses, use a platform called Kajabi to run my entire business. Kajabi is a business management system, and it has everything I need to host my website, serve my customers, my clients, and my students, market to my audience, payment processing. It does everything I need to run both of my businesses. And you can grab a 30-day free trial of Kajabi and get access to my bonus course, Kajabi Made Simple, by clicking on the link in the show notes and in the description below this video. Instead of getting a 14-day free trial, which you would get going directly to kajabi.com, you'll get more than double that. You get 30 days and a bonus course. And I'm actually going to open up that bonus course right now where you can get personalized coaching from me. So I have Kajabi Made Simple here. I go to Manage Comments. So I have a new comment here. And grabbing a second trial of Kajabi, does that give me 60 days total? I'm going to reply. This is one example of how to add that personalized coaching to your learning experiences or online courses. You can do it through commenting, you can do it through a video call, you can do it through in-person meetings, you can do it one-on-one, you can do it with group coaching. In my coaching community, we have group coaching calls where we literally are on a live coaching call, everyone in the community, and we bounce ideas off one another. I go through up-to-date things that are happening in the industry, and I go through mindset activities and exercises to really move us from scarcity to abundance in that way. So you need a way to connect with your audience. So I'll answer this question. You will get 2 30-day free trials, one with each email you sign up with. I highly recommend that you start with 1 free trial, build out and do what you can, and then sign up for the second one if you aren't ready to buy. Now you will have to either export what you created and import it to the second trial before your first trial account ends, or rebuild from scratch, or just start paying. They're able to interact with me directly. So that's the first thing you need to make sure that you add to your online course or learning experience, is personalized coaching from you, a real person, so that you can share your experience, share your story with them. The second thing is a community. Community is so important in our world because even though we have social media and it feels like we're connected with everyone now, we are so much further apart than we ever have been in society. I walk around, especially I was walking around the airport the other day, and everyone just looked like a zombie to me. Everyone has their headphones in. Hey, I had my headphones in. Everyone looks dazed. Everyone's looking over at their phone. We are so disconnected, it's not even funny. Which means that if you can be that connection where you are able to connect people with other people, especially like-minded people with other people, people that can really create value and serve one another, then you are actually giving people what they need as a human. We all need connection. And AI can't give you connection. Yes, you can talk to AI about your problems. I highly recommend that you also talk with a professional and reach out to someone in your life as well. And we need communities. We need human-to-human connection. AI is not a substitute for a community, for connecting with another human. So I highly recommend that you integrate a platform like Kajabi, linked in the description and in the show notes, to create connection in your online courses and learning experiences. There's so many platforms out there now that empower you to create these communities that pair with your online course and other things in your learning experience. You need a place where people can interact with you and each other to get that personal connection in their lives. And the third thing you need to make sure to have in your online courses and learning experiences is encouragement. Encouragement and empowerment. Let's go back to the experience I had at the airport. I'm walking around. I'm not only seeing people that look like zombies, people just look unhappy. When I go to the grocery store, people just look unhappy. People are more unhappy than they ever have been. We have a mental health crisis in our world, and people are less happy than they ever have been. We have more than we ever have, but we're less happy than we ever have been. By being an encouraging voice, and I got this from my mentor, Graham Cochran. He talks all about this, how if you can be that encouraging voice to your audience, to your learners, to your customers, then they're going to continue doing business with you. Your employees are going to give you even better results. Your customers are going to spend more time and money with you. By being that encouraging ear, by saying that you got this, I believe in you, and I'm here to move you from scarcity to abundance, because I know how powerful the energy of abundance is in my life and how disempowering scarcity is. And I want everyone to harness that creativity and that power of abundance. By giving people that encouragement in their life, you are future-proofing your online courses, learning experiences, your business, and your life. We could all use a little more encouragement. I'll see you in the next episode.